Hey everyone, today Jazz and I are down at Naples, Florida at Fleishmann Park. We're here really excited to try out this new skate park. We've never been here before. There's a lot of different obstacles. We just got here just a few minutes ago, so we just haven't really had much time to check them out yet, but we wanted to get this video shot before it gets a little crowded. So as you can see, it's weird. There's some fiberboard construction. Up here is a bowl. Nice wooden bowl. Probably, I don't know, 3.5 feet tall. Really skater friendly for all you roller skaters out there. Super fun. There's a nice street section. Over here, many different ramps, rails, boxes, all kinds of things to do. See over here on this end next to the bowl, nice little quarters. He's dropping in, nice little grind there. Check it out. We'll go down here a little bit to the street area. There's a plateau up here, and this is just awesome. It's really soft and smooth. No concrete here at all. I'm trying to not wreck here. But then you go out here to the concrete. There's several boxes and railings. A giant spine here, sort of a spine. It's got a little bit of flat to it. Just big ramps here for airing it out. Nice. Haven't had the chance to go up these yet, but you got this big roll in right here. You roll in there, launch off the hits. Just airing it out. Really cool design. It's still early, so we don't have a lot of people here yet, but there's a lot for everyone here. It transitioned into a full concrete upper skate area. We'll go up here and check that out. It's just really nice here. It's so big and open. Lots of room to see everyone. A little blind spot right here, but not too bad overall. So we're gonna go up here and check out this bowl, see if I can find Jazz. And she is in the bowl. As you can see here, a little run here, a toboggan run. Super fun with a lot of rollers. There's Jazz. We're catching up with Jazz. She's getting comfortable in the bowl. Pretty good sized transitions here. This one I'd say 7 feet maybe. Nice expression there, honey. But it's skatable. Like, she's skating very easily. It's a little big for me, but
trying to learn it.
I don't normally skate big stuff like this, but it's always fun to try. She's pumping it up here. What you got? We'll pause a little. Jazz showing us how it's done here. It's skatable. She gets in and out, no problem.
I can at least pump.
Yes, that's an accomplishment. It is big, I know. This right here is, I don't know, I'm not even thinking about this. Way too, but it's a traditional kind of, swimming pool bowl.
Yeah.
So, but there's something for everyone if someone wants to try this. This wall here is vert. Got a nice vert wall on this side. Big, huge transitions. Oh, I'll skate over here and get the other side of where the toboggan street run kind of thing is. As you can see here. Just very nice. Look at the different viewpoint here from this side. Super fun, big area. Really cool. So as you go over here, on the other side of this little toboggan run, there's many different variety of transitions, all different things. Little rollers everywhere. Really fun. You got to be really creative, but there's plenty of room for that here. So anyway, this is our first time here, so we wanted you guys to be a part of it. Nice 180, DJ Jazz. be a part of checking it out. If you guys are ever down here in Naples, this is a great park. It's a little expensive, 20 bucks a pop. 20 bucks a pop, but you know, it's worth it for us because we just like checking out these parks. So anyway, hope you guys found this fun, and maybe one day you're down here in Naples, check out this park. Well, until next time, we'll see you guys later.